In this video, I'm going to be doing a Rytr review, and I'm going to be showing you the pros, cons, and giving you a quick walkthrough. Hi, I'm Vince from Digital Nomad Institute, so let's get started. So let's begin with my review of Rytr. And when you first go into the login page, this is what it looks like. And basically what it is, it's an AI that writes for you, okay? And it writes a whole bunch of different content. And you can go ahead and check out the video. The one thing that I really like about it is mainly the quality, okay? And the price, it's about $30 a month, okay? If you pay by year, you get 2 months for free. And the best thing about it is that it's, well, once you upgrade, you get unlimited. So you get to generate unlimited words, and this allows you to do things like create ebooks, create much longer content, long form content than the competitors. Because things like Content AI and all these other AI writing tools, they charge you per character, and if you want the unlimited version, they charge you like $100. This is only like $29, about $30. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Once you get here, all you have to do is click on Start Writing, and then you can go ahead and either use your Google account, your Facebook account, and here I'm going to just enter in my email. So this is my email. You're going to get a verification code, so I'm going to go check the verification code real quick. Alright, so once you check your email and you get your verification code, all you need to do is just paste it in here and click verify. Alright, then it says email verified successfully, and then you can go ahead and choose your password. Okay, and then there we go. Let's go with sample. Yeah, actually, hold on. There we go. And then click finish. And that's how you create an account for free. Then as soon as you create your account, there's going to be a Rytr tutorial and explainer video showing you all the features, but I'm going to go ahead and skip that, and you can go ahead and check that out for yourself. So right off the bat, what I like about Rytr is that it's not like kind of killing you with a whole bunch of features. What you have is on your right hand side is the document, and on your left hand side you have just basically three options. You have you can select your language. I'm going to scroll down and show you all the languages that are possible. So you have Chinese, Dutch, English, French, German, Greek, Hebrew, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Norwegian, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, Swedish, Thai, and Turkish. Okay, so these are all the languages that you can use Rytr for. It's not just English, but to be honest, the only language I've tested this with is English, because this is the only language I can understand out of these selected here. Okay, so English, and then on top of the languages that you can select, you can also select the tone, and this is amazing. So you have appreciative, assertive, awestruck, candid, casual, cautionary, compassion, convincing, earnest, enthusiastic, formal, funny, humble, humorous, inspirational, joyful, passionate, thoughtful, urgent, and worried. And it's different for each one. Okay, and then the last option you have is you can choose use case. So this is what helps gear your content, or helps Rytr gear your content for whatever what you're going to use it for. So you have a blog article idea outline, so it generates an outline. This one is a blog article intro and content, so it generates the intro and the content. A business idea pitch, an email sequence, Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn ads, interview questions, job description, landing page description, post and caption ideas, product descriptions, profile bio, SEO, meta description, meta title, taglines and headlines, testimony and reviews. You can edit text in different ways, and then you have YouTube specific stuff like video channel description, which I really hate doing, but this really takes care of it for you. You have video description, video ideas. All right, so all this kind of nitty gritty stuff that you gotta kind of do every single time you post a video, this really helps it out. All right, and then once you selected your features here, all you have to do is you can go ahead and generate the content. So let me go ahead and do that for you. So I selected English. I'm going to pick convincing, and then I'm going to choose a blog article intro and content. All right. And then from here, you paste in whatever, you can paste in a question, you can paste in a sentence, and then they'll just do it for you. And then the last option is how many different variations of the content, you want. Okay. So if you want one, spin one generation of it, then you can do it. If you want 2 iterations of it of the same type, you can put 2. For me, I'm just going to put 1. All right. So I'm going to post in a question. Okay. And I'm just going to click write for me. I'm going to let it load in real time so you get to see and feel exactly how long it takes. And just like that, you have 49 words written for you. And it's, the question is, do I need a laptop to become a blogger? The answer that Rytr came up with is yes, you do. Your laptop is your office and you need it for almost everything, like writing a blog post, uploading photos, and managing your social media profile. The laptop may not be the only thing that you need to start blogging, but it is necessary. All right, good start so far. And then you can go ahead and highlight this, and you can either expand it a bit, you can shorten it, you can rephrase it, append, which is basically add a few words to the end of the sentence, or you can make a paragraph. I'm going to write a paragraph, right? Expand it a bit more. So I'm going to go wait, and you can see in real time. Okay, so this one is a repeat, so let's delete that. All right, and then let's see how it reads. So a laptop may not be the only thing that you need to start blogging, but it is a necessity. The laptop you use to access internet and create blogs on various platforms like WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr, etc. With the help of a laptop, you can write blogs or articles and publish them online for the public to see. The laptop can be used as a powerful tool and help you reach out to millions of people with your writing. All right, so far so good. And you have the word count up here and the amount of characters. So, pretty easy, and so far it's just not much effort, and I already have 109 words. Now, if I want to continue, I can go ahead and do the same thing. So let me just show you real quick. I'm going to highlight this. And then now I'm going to show you another feature. So let's say I just want to increase it by a few words. I'm just going to go ahead and click expand. All right. So now the sentence reads, the laptop can be used as a powerful tool to reach out to millions of people and help you with your writing. All right. So it added a few, maybe 2 or 3 words in there. All right. And now it's 110. Okay. So let's say I wanted to do one more paragraph, all right, just to show you how easy it is. I'm going to go ahead and click that and wait for it to load. And there you go. So now it reads, online businesses are growing at a fast rate. Every day new businesses are being launched and existing ones are getting better. One of the main ways to increase your business is to market online. In order to market your business on the internet, there is one thing that you need: a laptop. You can use laptops as powerful tools to reach out to millions of people and help you with your marketing campaigns. Right? And then a laptop for online marketers has a few features that make it perfect for this type of work: a large screen size, a good battery life, etc., etc. And it keeps going. So now you have 249 words, and you can keep going and going, or you could alternatively write a sentence and then change the direction of the content. All right, so you can write, what is a good laptop? A good laptop for working online. And then you can go ahead and highlight this and then write a paragraph. All right, click paragraph. So now you're directing the content, right? And based on each paragraph, right? And then there you go. You have, you have the next line here. Okay. So I'm not going to keep that. I'm just going to delete this. I just want to show you quick. And I'm just going to use this right here. Okay. And let me show you the other features. All right, real quick. All right, to show you the other features, I'm going to just get some free content. So you can let me see. So you can see the full functionality of it. Okay, so I'm just going to pull out some content from eZine articles just to demonstrate this real quick. Copy this, and then I'm just going to paste it in here. Oops. Let me delete this real quick. Paste it in here. Okay, so now all I do is select everything. Oh, it's a bit too much. Sorry, I'm going to go by paragraph. Let's go here. No. Let me try a new document. Okay, so it's only 300 characters. So let's see. That's a bit too much. Alright, right here. So I can go ahead and click rephrase. Okay, and then I can go do the same thing. Rephrase. Let me try that. There you go. I can rephrase this. And then keep going on and on. Let's see, let's try this. Alright, so now I'm going to take this. Alright, first of all, I'm just going to read it and delete the rest of this. Okay, so I'm going to read it for readability because it doesn't matter if it rewrites it. You know, if it's not readable, then you kind of lost a lot of value in it. So let's see how an AI rewriter does it. Okay. If you're looking for the best butterfly valve, you have come to the right place. We offer a wide range of valves that can be used in different applications. Be sure to consider your specific application before making a choice. The difference between high performance and general service butterfly valves is that the high performance butterfly valves are more robust in terms of performance and durability. Sounds readable to me, and it sounds like a human wrote it, unlike the garbage you get from a lot of article spinners. Okay, so I'm really impressed. Number one, Rytr's, the quality of the output for Rytr is by far the best out of any single AI writer or spinner out there. Okay, and I can say I've tried Content AI, I've tried WordTune, and maybe Content AI is comparable, but the thing is they charge you so much just for unlimited. It's like $100 a month. I don't think it's worth it. Rytr, on the other hand, high quality, and they charge you about $30 a month for unlimited. That's worth the money. Okay, with the hard times going on right now, for someone to nickel and dime you $100 like Content AI for unlimited is just a joke. Okay, so Rytr, they did the right choice. They did right by me, and they offer the unlimited service plus the quality of what comes out is readable. Look, and I'm gonna continue. General service units. These units are designed to handle general processing in factories that involve water, steam, air, and other gases or fluids that are chemically inactive. Usually these valves feature a 10-piston handle for easy opening and closing. They also have an electric or air actuator to open and close them. The seat of the valve covers the body in order to make sure that the materials don't touch the body. All right, so everything sounds readable. I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and then I'm going to show you, this, compare this piece to the original piece, what percent is unique, okay? All right, so this is the text that was rewritten, okay? And just to show you that there's no shenanigans here, let's see. All right. Oh, sorry, right here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, delete this, and show you delete the spaces, and then now I want to compare the two. Okay, so there's a 35% uniqueness. Okay, so this, what does that mean? It means that it's almost completely new, right? It's not like 100%, but it's very, very unique. Now I'm going to try different tools just to show you that, different look at it, second opinions and stuff like that, so you can see. This is another site that compares text. Let's just check it out real quick. This is the original text. I'm copying it in here and pasting it in here. Okay, just take this out, and then I'm going to go ahead and copy this and paste it into here, and then I'm just going to compare. Okay, I'm going to enter in the numbers and go ahead and click compare. Wait for it to compare and do its thing. Might take a little while. Okay, so it's about 50%, difference. Okay, they might use the same word. Okay, because of the title. Okay, but a lot of it's been rewritten. So it's not too bad. The rewriting feature might need a little bit more work, but other than that, it's quite readable. Okay, so that's all the features there. And when it comes down to the content generated, the unique content generated, like if you put a topic in here and you just click write, a lot of it is unique, right? So it's not going to be flagged as copied content or spun content. It's readable. That's the other thing. And you can do other things such as shorten stuff too. So let me go ahead and highlight this. That's a bit too much. Maybe highlight this and then click shorten. And what it'll do is shorten the sentence and try to keep the same meaning. Okay, so this valve has a 10-piston handle for easy opening and closing. It also has electric or air actuator to open and close it. The seat of the valve covers the body in order to make sure that the material doesn't touch the body. All right, so it shortens it for you. And that's it. There's no extra bells and whistles. There's no like doodads. There's no gimmicky stuff. It just does what it says it does, and it does it really well. And in today's, new age marketing, gimmicky stuff that's out there, that's kind of surprising. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can go ahead and try it out for yourself. And if you like it, you can just enter your email in here and then sign up for free. Now, I want to make sure that you do sign up to the right one, because there's a lot of clones out there and copycats. So please make sure that you are signing up to this Rytr right here instead of some other clone, that could be quite dangerous, right? So I'm going to leave the link down below. You can test it out for free. All you need is your email. And if you like it, you can always upgrade to the, I think, what is the reward? Let me see. Credits, profiles. Let me see what it is. It's $30 a month. Okay, $30 a month. Or if you pay yearly, it's about $290 a year. Okay, but you get 2 months free. I would recommend doing the free first, seeing if you like it, and then going with the $30 a month unlimited, because you can do so much with this. There is absolutely so many things you can do. I mean, emails, blog content, YouTube video titles and descriptions. And if you like this video, I'll get into that, all right? And I will later on show you tutorials on how I do it and how I use it, because it saves me so much time using this tool. Like, it's unbelievable amount of time that I've saved, and the output of the writing output of this is just amazing. Like, nobody can tell that it's not me. It's just me clicking a button, and the content's quite unique. Okay. There is a few downsides to it. It's not everything's perfect, so I just want to cover those real quick. So the downsides that I don't really like is you can only rewrite like after 2 sentences, right? There's a limit. You rephrase, okay? You can't do like select on and rephrase it, so that's a bit inconvenient. And the same goes with shorten and expand and append, okay? Now, as for paragraphs, it works, but sometimes it's a bit finicky. Okay, so you have to, if the output doesn't come out right the first time, you just go ahead and redo it. That's it. Okay, and other than that, it works really well. Okay, nothing is perfect, but I do want to point out like some of the minor, shortcomings of the software. But the good thing is that they're always constantly improving it. They just didn't it's not like a pump and dump software where they just pumped it out, trying to make a lot of money and then just leave it like that and they don't improve it. This is constantly being improved, and that's part of the reason why the price keeps going up. But first of all, when I signed up for this and then paid for it later, there was only like a few languages, maybe like English, Dutch, Chinese, French, German, Greek, Hebrew, and then they started adding like all these other languages. And then same with the tone. Most of it was casual. I think casual, convincing. Now they have all these different tones, and it's amazing. And then with the use as well. I personally only use maybe these top two ones because I don't do business pitches. I'm going to test out the email later on. I don't really do Facebook ads. I don't do interview questions, job descriptions. I might test this out later. All right. But all in all, I'm really, really impressed. That's my final impression of Rytr. Yeah, really impressed. So if this video was helpful, could you please hit that like button? I'm Vince from Digital Nomad Institute, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.